Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is an interesting problem. It says that there are four sets A, B, C, D of the question paper of a test that has 100 questions. All the questions were multiple choice and had four options A, B, C and D. Okay, this table shows how the questions appeared in order in the four sets. Now you can see that these are bundles of 25 questions, 1 to 25, 26 to 50, 71, 51 to 75 and 76 to 100. Okay, now we need to find out that we need to map these questions. Okay, and how do we map these questions is so it says that like you need to read this, that 1 to 25 are same as 26 to 15 set B. So this is this same here, this is the same here, and this is the same here. So if you want to find in any of the sets, we can find that what is the same question in another set. Like let's say for example, if we have to find question number 56 in set A, so what question will it be in set D? So 56 means this is the sixth question in this range. Okay, sixth question in this bundle, sixth question in this bundle. So 25 plus 6, 31. So 56 here will be equal to 31st question in set D. So this is how we map the questions. Apart from that, we are also given that the how the answer key are designed of set A. Remember, it is just of set A. So for all questions, we will have to convert to set A to answer the questions. All right, now let us see what are the conditions given. The prime numbers had answer option A. What are the prime numbers? We know the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So these had answer option A. If you know the count, it is good. Otherwise, you could count. There are 25 prime numbers less than 100. Okay, so 25 questions have answer option A. You do not need to find the answer of each of the questions. You just need to know the conditions. Second condition, it says that of the remaining numbers, the numbers of the form x to the power y, where x and y are natural numbers. Okay, so x to the power 1 is, so we will, if we start from 1, 1 has, if you raise to any power, the number is 1 only. Okay, now if we start from 2, so 2 has already been covered because it's a prime number. So we need to find the powers of 2. So 2 to the power 2, that is 4, then 8, 16, 32, 64. These are all that have answer option D. Apart from that, the powers of 3 is already covered. So the next powers, that is 9, 27, 81. Okay, these will have option D. Powers of 4 are already covered because we have covered the powers of 2. Powers of 5, that is 25. Okay, then powers of 6, that is 36. Power of 7, that is 49. Power of 8 has already been covered. Power of 9 has been covered. Power of 10, that is 100. Okay, so let us count how many questions are these. So if we see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 questions that have answer option D. Why we are counting is, one of the questions is how many questions had the answer as option C. Now next is, of the remaining numbers after the above two cases, the multiples of 3 had answer option B. So answer option B we will have to find out. Now should we count each and all multiple of 3? No, we do not. Okay, so we know that the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. till 99. So we have 33 multiples of 3. We just need to exclude the ones that have already been covered. Okay, so we have 3 here, and in this case we have 9, 27, 81 and 36. So we need to remove 5 numbers from here. So option B, there are 28 questions. Okay, and the last, of course, whatever remains is option C. So option C we can find out, this is 38 plus 28, that is 66. So if we subtract 66 from 100, we get the answer as 34. So the answer to the first question is 34. Okay, all right, now let's move on to the next question. It says that how many questions from 41 to 60, both inclusive, in set C have answer as option B. So set C, if we talk about 41 to 60, so 41 to 60 means the last 10 questions of here and the first 10 questions of here. So 41 to 50 will basically be last 10 questions of this also. So that will be 91 to 100 in A. Okay. And this is 26 to 35, first 10 questions here. So 51 to 60 in C. This is in set C. This is in set A. Why we need to convert to set A is because we know the answers only of set A. So we will need to map accordingly. So in all the questions that we shall do, we will have to map with respect to set A in order to find the answer. Okay. 51 to 60 is basically 26 to 35 of set A. अब हमें क्या बताना है, which have answer option B. Option B is multiples of 3. Okay, so let us find the multiples of 3 here. 93, 96, 99. Okay, now in this range we have 27, but 27 will not come because 27 is in the form of a power of 3. Okay, which is option D. So we will not count 27. That is a common mistake people could make. So we will count 30. We can count 33. So there are total of 5 questions that have answer option B. Okay, then we move on to the next question, which says which of the following sets of questions have the same answer in sets B and D. So what we will have to do is we will have to find the corresponding numbers for all these questions in set A and then find the answer options. So a difficult question to do. So ideally a person must attempt this one, can attempt this one, because in this you need to check for only three options. Okay, so one could do this, but this is definitely not a first choice of questions. This could have been done later. Okay, but let's do this. So what I will do is I will write the question number in the question number set B with respect to set A and set D with respect to set A and see the choices if they match. Okay, so let's start with the first option, that is 8. If we start from question number 8 in set B is, if we add to it, so this is 33 in set A. Okay, and question number 8 here is 83. Okay, now 33 is a multiple of 3. It's a multiple of 3, so it has answer option B, and 83 is a prime number. Okay, so it has answer option A. So first question itself tells that the answer options are not the same, so we do not need to check this option. So let us check for the next option, that is 48. So 48, if we see 48, this is 2 less than the 50th question. This is 50 tak hai, so 2 less than this, that is 23rd. So 23 in A. Okay, and this will have answer option A because it's a prime number. 43 here is 48 here is, this is 75, less 2 is 73 in A. That is also a prime number, so 48 has same options. We will check for 54. So 54 is the fourth question here. So 75 plus 4, 79 in A. Okay, and 54 is the fourth question in A. Okay, so this is of set D. So 79 is a prime number that has option A. 4 is a square number that has option D. So again this case gets eliminated. Let us check for the third option, 42. So 42 means 25 here, 17 add. So question number 17 in set A. And here also it is 25 plus 17, 42. So 50 plus 17, we will get 67. Okay, 17th question in this range is question number 67. So 17 is a prime number, answer option A. 67 is a prime number, answer option A. Question number 4 in set B. Question number 4 in set will be 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so question number 4 is 29 of set A. And question number 4 of this is 76, 78, 76, 77, 78, 79. 79 of set A. So both of them are prime numbers. Option ho jayega A. 88. Right, let's see that if that matches. 88 is subtract 12 from here, right? That is 63 in A. 63 is a multiple of 3, so it has answer option B. Okay, and this is 88. 88 if we subtract, that is 38. Right, 38 is not a prime number. 38 is not among these square numbers. 38 is also not a multiple of 3, so this answer is option C. Again, this does not match. So two questions matched, third one did not match. So obviously we know that the answer has to be this. So in the examination, if you get such a thing, you have ruled out three options, fourth option automatically becomes your answer. Let us verify if that is the same. So 22, 60 and 74. 22 is 3 less than this, that is 97 here. Sorry, set B, if we see 3 less than this, that is 47, and 3 less, that is 97, both prime numbers. So answer option A. Okay. 60, 60 means 10th question from here. So 10 plus 10 will be 85, and this is question number 10 in this, right? 60th is 10th question in this bundle, so 85 and 10 here. Now both of them are not prime numbers, not multiple of 3, not any power, so this will be option C. Both are option C. 74, 74 is 1 less than this, so 99 in set A. For this is 99 and this is 24. Okay, so both are multiples of 3, not powers of any number. So multiple of 3 means the answer is option B. So we see that all three options, all three questions in this set have the same answer in both sets B and D, right? So that is another question. The next question is question number 33 in set D has the same answer as. So question number 33 in set D, we will find the answer in terms of set A. Okay, so question number 33 here means the eighth question in this range. Okay, so eighth question means 58 in A, right? We will write 58. 58 is what? 58 is uncategorized, like not a prime number, not a power, not a multiple of 3. So 58 is option C. Okay, so we have to find which of these questions have answer as option C. Question number 21 in set A. Question number 21 means that it is a multiple of 3. Okay, so it has B. So that is not the correct one. Question number 98 in set B. 98 in set B. 98 means this is 75 is 100. 98 will be 73. 73 is a prime number, right? 73 is a prime number. So it is answer option A, right? So that is also incorrect. Okay. And then question number 59 in set C. Set C 59. So add 9 to it, we get 34. Okay. 34 in option set 34 in set A. So basically it is asking about 34 in set A. So 34 in set A does not come into these categories, not a prime number, not a power, not a multiple of 3. 34 is option C in set A. So that means the answer is this. So both these, it has also answer as option C. This also has answer as option C. Okay, so this was the questions. There are a couple of more questions on this. Okay, since it's a difficult set, you can expect 6 questions from such kind of sets in the examination. If student X who had set B copies the answers of the last 10 questions from Y who has set C, how many of the answers will he get correct of these? Okay, of course, of these 10 questions, given that Y answered all the respective questions correctly. So Y is someone who had uh, answered all these correctly. So we need to check that how many of them will this person X get correct. Okay, so now this if we talk about Y, what are the question numbers, and X, what are the question numbers? So Y is attempting set C. So set C means that last 10 questions will be 16 to 25. Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, now if we talk about X, X has set B, so his numbers will be, इसमें 50 ऐड कर देते हैं because this is till 75, right? So 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 and 75. Okay, so basically we have to find the map the last 10 questions of these two sets and see that how many of these match with each other. Okay, so let's see that how many of these match. So 1666, this is a multiple of 3, this is a square number, they will not match. These are all prime numbers, so these will match. You do not need to find which is which set, right? हमें rules पता है ना, that prime number वाला check करना है, multiple of 3 करना है. This is multiple of 3, right? So this will not match. This is one of them is a multiple of 3. This is a prime number, will not match. 20, 70, these are basically non multiples of 3, right? And so this will match. Okay, this is, so prime number is option A in both the cases. Okay, and this is remainder question, right? Remainder in the sense that it is not a multiple of 3, it is not a prime number, it is not a power number. So this question will match. This is a prime number. Okay, so both, sorry, no, this will not match. This is a prime number, but this is a multiple of 3. This will not match. 22, 72, this is again, this is a multiple of 3. This will not match. 23, 73, both prime numbers. These are both prime numbers, so this will match. Answer will be option, sorry, A. 24, 74, this is a multiple of 3. This is not a multiple of 3. It will not match. 25 is a square number. This is a multiple of 3. The answers will not match. So the person will get 3 answers correct out of these. So just randomly copying from this. So that person got 3 answers correct. Okay. Last question says, Govind is a pass out of last year. He knows the strategy of the teacher. How does that teacher frames the questions? Okay, and to frame the answer options of set A, he knows this, that the teacher uses this prime numbers, powers of numbers with powers, etc. He calls this strategy Govind strategy, or you can also call G strategy, and told it to his friend Anand. Okay, but unfortunately Anand got set D instead of set A, so this person accidentally gets set D. Okay, you have to tell how many answers did Anand get correct in the paper. Okay, now this is a question that you should never attempt in the examination. Why? Because simply the thing is, you will have to find the answers of all the questions. Okay, so I'll show the table here. This is the entire list of 100 questions. So we will have to find out that which of these will match correctly. So this such questions should never be attempted in the examination, because they are just a waste of time. That's just a trap to engage you in unnecessary things. Okay, so this is for set A. Okay, set A, and we have to map for set D. So set D 1 to 25 is 76 to 100. So if he blindly copies this, so if we see this, this will be his questions 1 to 25. This is the actual, this is his question. So C is not matching, C is not matching, B is not matching, A is not matching. So he is not getting any success thus far. Then we will just keep count of this. So this matches, so one question ho gaya. Okay, this match, this matches again, second match, and then third, then we have the fourth question matching, fifth question matching, sixth question matching, and then we have seventh question matching, eighth question matching. So far 8. So in the first 25 years got 8 correct. Okay, likewise, see, what you can do is, you do not need to write the options, right? I've written the options, but you just need to see ki, like we did in this case, right? Here it was about 10 questions, so we can do for 10 questions, but you should, this is a 10 times difficult problem. In this case, you have to map 10 questions. In this, they are asking you to match 100 questions. So definitely, to avoid such a question. Okay, so when he attempts 51 to 75, that is should be like this is 26 to 50 in this, and that should be uh, so we need to map these, right? So we need to map the two central columns. How many does he get correct? Okay, so thus far we see that there is just one match. Okay, so just one match in this scenario. Okay, next, he is doing 51 to 75 with respect to 1 to 25. Okay, so 51 to 75, his paper 51 to 75, that should be, so we will match these two columns. Okay, and see that what numbers do match. So we have one match here. Okay, then another match will be second question matched, then third match, fourth match, 5, 5 answers, 5 more answers. Okay, and then last is 26 to 50 with respect to 76 to 100, right? So 26 to 50. So we will see this number and this column we will match. Okay, so one match we get, then we get this matching, same answers in these two columns. Okay, and then we have this match and then we have this option matching, this option matching. So these are the matches: 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 more. So I don't know whether it will be correct. I think since I had calculated this, so the answer turns out to be 20. Okay, but it is a very difficult problem, 10 times more difficult than this, because in this we have to just compare 10 values. In this you have to compare 100 values. So definitely a question to be skipped in the examination. But the first few questions were doable. And in that also I told you that which are the ones that should have been attempted and in what order. So I hope you must have enjoyed solving this interesting set. So don't forget to like this video.